Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article from Tesla regarding about the software unlock, where you can pay, where customers can pay $1,400 or $1,500 to $2,000 to unlock the range on their rear-wheel drive Model Y, and to give it about maybe 40 miles or 60 miles more range. So that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about. And from my previous video, we talked about Tesla just continue this rear-wheel drive of Model Y and replacing it with the Model Y long range in the US, which come with 320 miles. So it's basically for those of you who bought the car with the rear-wheel drive. I'm pretty sure you can still buy it in the inventory, and if you down the road, if you want to upgrade it, you know what I mean, then you can pay about up to $2,000 to get the 60 miles. And this is depending on your battery cells as well too. And a lot of people ask Elon's like, hey, you know what, why can't you do the upgrade to a courtesy for free, or the increase the amount for free? And Elon responded like usual, you know, somehow somebody needs to get paid too. And so in other words, he had to get this to be approved by the government and so-called, and somebody has to work on getting these upgrades and all stuff like that. So yeah, so if you have the rear-wheel drive that you bought like a couple months ago, now if you're willing to pay for the additional money, which you can upgrade it to, you know, you can get like 40 to 60 more miles. Is that good? Is it bad? I don't know, you know, but it's good to know that you have that options to do legally, you know, and rightfully. So just like my car, my Model Y long range, I have the performance models. However, it's only capped at 4.8 seconds from 0 to 60. However, if I want to go a different route, which is buy a module from Nginx, and you know, for about $2,000 and install it myself, I can, you know, pretty much use the full potential of the rear motors of my Model Y, which is, you know, the performance motors. But same thing with here. So I don't know, do you guys agree with Elon, you know, paying like $1,500 to $2,000 more, or should it be free? So here, this is where Elon says right here. See, so as you can see right here, the price now is $44,990, range 320 miles, and just like that, you pay $1,500 to $2,000 depending on your battery cells, and then you get 40 to 60 miles. So see, some people ask like, why not just give it for free? We have to pay the bill somehow. Yeah, so that's good news for those people that have the rear-wheel drive. Now, if they worry about their range anxiety, they can just, you know, cough up like $2,000 more, and you have more range. All right, so that's pretty much just for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, if you like the content, feel free to give a like and, you know, and subscribe. That's going to help out the channel a lot. Thank you for watching. Take care, be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.